All right, so today we are going to be doing something a little different because we're not going to be at the storage unit today. All right, so today we're at Matt's garage. I'm going to work on his Colt.
Hi, Aaron and people.
Hello. What are we doing today? So today we're going to actually cut the roof off. Well, we're all going to try to cut the roof off and do a carbon roof on here. Got it all stripped down, getting it ready for paint. And the carbon roof. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Who wants to watch me do something stupid? $29,100 stock roof and braces. All right, and the carbon roof. That 7.8. God damn it! I'll just film you. Whatever.
Man, that is fucking impossible.
All right, we're back here, Matt. It's been a couple weeks. He's got the car painted. About to glue the roof on. But kind of wanted to go over the car a little bit since I didn't do that in the beginning of the video. Setup is a 25.5. Yeah, 25.5, right? 25.5 cage. Storm and Norman did it. Actually, he's got a stamp on it, doesn't he?
West side of Indianapolis?
Yep. Yep. So he's got it all ripped apart, obviously, same, getting ready for shootout. So yeah, 25.5 cage, pretty serious build, obviously. The whole front end was done by Matt. He did it all by himself. Looks real nice painted. Then what is it, a 2 liter? Is it 2 liter?
Yeah, 2 liter.
2 liter 4G63 billet block.
Yeah, 7 volt billet from
She hiding. Yeah. at Boost and Performance Demon Spec.
Yeah.
Demon Spec
the
block.
short block is Demon Spec, and then David Head Games did the cylinder head.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Yep. There's that. 7685 turbo on it. And then, I don't know, look for more stuff.
You want some notes?
Probably should have, but too late. 3000 GT rear end. Subframe by somebody. Who did the subframe?
Nate, North Carolina.
Nate in North Carolina. So yeah, 3000 GT rear end, 2 liter, 76 millimeter, pretty serious. It's going to be pretty fast bracket car.
Yeah, 10 Foxtrot.
10.5. He's trying to race in my class. What else? I don't know what else you can go over. All the carbon fiber stuff was made by Matt. So he ended up learning all the process. Everything's kind of dusty though from the paint. So everything's done by him, and got another video, recorded most of it. And I probably just need to upload it and throw it in at some point. So recorded some of the process. So, yeah, I think it's a basic setup. So try to get more video once it gets more parts bolted onto her. All right, got talked into doing a time lapse on this door here. Just doing the top part. The bottom part is already done, obviously. So this is the second time really wrapping anything. I did do the hood, roof, and trunk on my daily Mirage. Those turned out pretty decent, so I guess Matt trusted me to do his car. So basically I just kind of learned from watching YouTube videos and trying it out myself. Normally I pull the trim off the doors before I do this, but the door's going to get made into carbon doors, so we opted to not pull the trim, so hopefully, break any clips or anything like that. So just kind of quick wrap job on the doors to get it presentable for shooting. So the roof is glued on. It's been sitting for a little while. It's actually fit pretty good. And this is a carbon roof that actually Matt ended up molding, or actually borrowed the mold from our buddy Warren. And
Anti-lag guys.
yeah, anti-lag guys made a roof mold, and he made a carbon roof for his car. So full carbon, roof supports are gone. Got the rear quarters both wrapped. The doors are mostly wrapped except for the pillars. Well, the tops of the doors, I guess, whatever you want to call it. They're both wrapped at the bottom. So there's that. And then, what else? What else happens? Is that it? Yeah, some of the inside. Got some NOS hooked up. And yeah, he's also running, I don't think I said earlier, he's running Motec as well. It's most of the reason why I went with a Motec. So there's his keypad and a 4G Eclipse shifter. And of course he's got a glove box in here, so he'll be able to run any class at shootout because we'll have a glove box. I think that's every class, right? Just need a glove box? Right, yeah, I think so. So, what else? Oh yeah, so, yep, this quarter is wrapped, threw a flare on there, and just set a wheel on. So a little bit how it's gonna look. And I think earlier I forgot, actually, car is all-wheel drive swapped, which, once again, Matt did all on his own, which is pretty ridiculous. So, yeah, there's that. Some of the bars that got to go in. So this bar is welded in, and then there's 2 tabs on either side. It's gonna mount a 1G subframe in, or yeah, I guess it would be a 1G with 3000 GT rear end that Matt's running. So yeah, they'll probably do that with this car. I'm sure I missed a ton of stuff about it. So any questions, just let me know, and I'm sure we'll be making another video hopefully soon. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.